Hi everyone, welcome to Module 7. Up till now, you have been learning how to analyze data, interpret results, and evaluate findings. This week, we're going to take a step back and we're going to ask, where does this research actually come from? In this module, you're going to learn how to identify different types of research designs used in exercise science, because not all studies are created equal. You'll start exploring meta-analyses, survey research, and different types of descriptive research methods. First, we'll look at meta-analyses. This is not just a literature review. This is when researchers take multiple studies, combine their findings, and analyze them together quantitatively. So instead of asking, what does one study say? A meta-analysis asks, what does the entire body of research show? Next, you'll learn about survey research, which is used all the time in health and exercise science. But it's not as simple as just ask people questions. There's an actual process that you must walk through, and steps like defining objectives, selecting a sample, designing a questionnaire, and running a pilot study and analyzing responses, because poorly designed surveys, well, they give you pretty bad data. You'll also explore descriptive designs, such as longitudinal studies, where we track changes over long periods of time, cross-sectional studies, or taking a snapshot at one moment, and case studies, where we focus on one unique situation. We'll also explore cohort studies, where we are following groups based on exposure. Each of these answers a different type of question, and each comes with strengths and limitations. You'll start analyzing how different study designs influence results and conclusions, because the design of a study directly impacts what you can conclude and what you cannot conclude. So here's your takeaway for this week. Research isn't just about results. It's actually about how those results were generated. If the study is weak, it doesn't matter how good the results look. By the end of this module, you should feel confident in identifying different research designs, understanding their purpose, and thinking more critically about the research you read. As with all of the other modules, make sure you're taking your time, because this is where you actually get to start thinking like a researcher.